Tip number 4 is to think about time savers. Now, I just talked about right-clicking and being able to right-click and being able to bring up these panes. So I can right-click and here are all my options here. So the more organized we can be, the more time we can save, then that can help us to navigate within our OneDrive. We can also use keyboard shortcuts. And on our tip here, we've put some of the more common keyboard shortcuts. Now, I love this top one. It says Command or Control. If you're on a Mac, you're going to be using the Command key. If you're on a PC, you're going to be using the Control key. But this is going to jump you between your tabs, your open tabs, so long as you have no more than 9 tabs open. So at the moment, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 6th tab that this little sharing document is on. So if I hit Control 7, it jumps me to my OneDrive. Control 6 jumps me back to my tip window. So we can jump between 1 and 9 open tabs by just hitting the Control key and the number of your tab. So it's a nice quick way to be able to move around. If you're somebody who uses a lot of hyperlinks, Control K is going to bring up your link menu. So which is exactly what I did here. I just popped our website in for anybody who's interested in checking out using Technology Better's website. I just highlighted it and I just hit Control K and it linked it for me. So a nice quick way to be able to link. Control Shift T will open the last tab that you shut down. So I'm working on a document or a file, I shut the tab and I think, oh, damn, I didn't mean to shut that. I can just go Control Shift T and it reopens the last tab. Now, if you were just checking out the latest news and your boss comes along behind you, you probably don't want to reopen that tab that you just shut down that you shouldn't have been on. But Control Shift T, quick way to jump between, quick way to reopen the last tab that you shut down. So there we have it this morning, 4 quick tips for you in using OneDrive. If you would like a copy of this little PDF here, you just pop utb.fyi/OD for tips into your URL bar at the top here, and it will open a copy for you. It'll take you to our website if you want to check out some more about using Technology Better. And right down at the bottom here, I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger so that we can see it. We have a link to, getting started with OneDrive course that you might be interested in checking out as well. So hopefully there's something there that's been useful for you this morning. Enjoy your cup of tea. Thanks for joining us.